Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Bluetooth connection problems in Windows 10 using different options. Chapter 1. Repair Bluetooth connection Windows 10 from Device Manager. We start by opening the Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting the tool to open it. Next, in the Bluetooth section, right-click on the Bluetooth device with problems and select Update Driver. Among the options you see, click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for the process to finish to find automatic repairs. Finally, if you go to the Start path, then Settings, and finally in Devices, you can verify that you have access to Bluetooth. Chapter 2. Repair Bluetooth connection Windows 10 automatically. The first thing will be to go to the next menu path. First, go to Start and then Settings. In the new window, click on Update and Security, and finally select Troubleshoot. Here, click on Additional Troubleshooters, then tap on Bluetooth. To start the troubleshooter, click on Run the Troubleshooter. Wait for the complete analysis to finish and return the result of the process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, you can click on the Bluetooth icon in the taskbar and then search for devices to check their operation. Chapter 3. Repair Bluetooth connection Windows 10 from Windows Update. The first thing will be to go to the next menu path. First, go to Start and then Settings. In the new window, click Update and Security, and finally select Windows Update. Here, check for updates for Bluetooth. Finally, click on Advanced Options to verify that they can be received. After that, check if Bluetooth is working properly. Chapter 4. Repair Bluetooth connection Windows 10 by downloading the driver. We start by opening Run by right-clicking on the Startup logo, then execute the command to msinfo32. The system information opens. Here, look at the manufacturer in the baseboard manufacturer line. Then you will have to go to the website of the corresponding manufacturer and download the Bluetooth driver and then install it manually.